Affect others' feelings. If you can't say something pleasantly, do not say it. The third care I would say is care for nature. So personal care, social care, including your family and your neighborhood and so on. And third is the care for nature. Sustainability and environment. I think my generation realized this the hard way. In fact, I think the first time I understood the deep sense in respecting nature, in having some care for environment, it's probably about 15-20 years ago when I was already about 45. I think your generation, has the good fortune of looking at these things here and now when you're young. Sustainability. The three important words are reuse, reduce and recycle. I think if we can adopt this in our own way, it will be a great measure instead of waiting for big governments to come with plans and do things and so on, which also I think will happen much more in your lifetime. It's like, when there's darkness everywhere around, what we should do or what we can do and therefore we should do is light a candle. So in that sense, I think we must have a positive commitment to care for nature. So I would say personal care, social care, and nature care. Wish you a bright future. Thank you.
What sir said, that each and everything in a life matters, even from giving a time to a beggar to even the smallest of the things we should not ignore.
Permit me, you would have noticed that I was very frugal in using the time allotted to me.
Exactly. That is what is called optimization.
Thank you, Professor Sadagopan, and everyone for giving me this opportunity to speak here today. Over the years, right from 2001, I've had several opportunities to address various batches at IIIT. Some of the first day sessions, some sessions on management-related subjects. So it's indeed an honor to be here on your Foundation Day. Today is your institute's Foundation Day, an institution whose name will be wedded through you through life. Everywhere where you go henceforth, you will be known as an alumni of IIIT Bangalore. So remember, whatever you do, you will carry the reputation of this institute and add to its standing. As you study and work in these portals, you're filled with a sense of pride and accomplishment of having got into an institution where the selection process has been extremely competitive and rigorous. You are among an elite, intelligent lot who will play a key role in influencing tomorrow's IT industry. Hopefully, some of you will come to semiconductors too. Carry with you the enthusiasm that you have in these halls and be infused with the same spirit that you had as a student here. I'm trying to keep to my time limit of 7 to 10 minutes, so I'll share with you 3 points of view which I feel are very crucial to students in their coming years. Firstly, have faith in yourself. Life is more than just getting the best campus job or the cushiest job that is the envy of everybody. Have the faith to be the person you want to be. This has been said earlier, but I come from a family of engineers. I chose to get out of electronic engineering to read history, economics and political science, which most people think is pure suicide. I went on later on to do my MBA. It was off the beaten track, and there were several who felt that I was headed nowhere. My parents never questioned me. They were supportive and had faith in me. That helped me keep my faith in myself. Pursue your dreams, try to achieve them, and if you fail, move ahead. The learning will stick with you for life, and continue to be a student through life. The same philosophy will hold when you start a family, when you have responsibilities to your spouse, your children, and your extended family and friends. Life is about owning up to your